What's good? It's your boy Slick Fresh. You already know I'm back with another one, man. Hitting you out with something exclusive. You already know how I do, man. Hey, right now I'm about to hit y'all with a sneaker haul, man. Hey, I've been holding out for a minute. It's been, some months where, hey, sneakers app ain't got your boy right all the time. So, I've been here, there, and everywhere with the sneaker game. But, hey, here we go, man. We about to hop right into this. I still need to get myself, by the way, man. I need to get myself those Bred 11s. I missed out on them for myself, but you know what I'm saying, I got them for everybody else. You know what I'm saying, I had to get my young boy, my son, I had to get him right. I had to get the little baby 11s. Not the baby 11s, these more like the toddler 11s, you know what I'm saying? Hey, and I actually, I got these from Finish Line. So, yeah, we just hopping right in. Sneakers on sneakers, man. You already know. Then we got the I think this is boys, or not, the youth, if you want to, consider it that. But I definitely like the Bred. Like I said, I went for the Breds on the sneakers app actually, and that's how I missed out on them. And then I just went to the mall that weekend with the fam, and that's how I ended up getting them for my girl and my son. And then your boy was on let's see if I can figure out which box it is. But your boy was, I'm pretty sure it's this one. Your boy was on GOAT, and I was like, man, I got him for my son, I got him for my girl, I might as well get him, for my daughter too. So I just went on ahead and ordered them from GOAT. I paid like, it don't even matter what I paid. I think it was worth it, you know what I'm saying? GOAT came through for me. You know how GOAT always do. So I got the first two Breds from Finish Line, and I got these from GOAT. And you know how GOAT always do. They gotta verify them and everything else. So let's see. Right there, you already know. Got the stickers. You got the verification tag. Oh. Okay. Wow. I thought like, these not the same, are they? Definitely not. So I could have swore. Matter of fact, this is what I'm about to do. Let's see. So when I ordered the Breds for my daughter, man, y'all see what Breds these is. We all sneakerheads here. Y'all see what Breds these is. These is like the first pair of Breds, bro. These are not the lows. But I'm about to check on myself because man. Oh. Hey. Alright, there we go. I got these. That's what I bought. I bought these pair of Breds instead of the... So I guess me and my daughter gonna match because I'm gonna go get... I'm just playing. But yeah, so I got these Breds, but boom. Hey, either way, I got the baby Breds. We out here. And I like these too, man. I honestly missed out on both of these in my size, you know what I'm saying? So it was weak either way. But at the same time, we got both of the Breds in the house. Definitely nice cops, man. Make sure y'all banging that subscription box. You already know we keeping it exclusive and we keeping it coming, man. It takes some time sometimes because you already know all the sneakers that I actually want, I don't always get. But at the same time, man, hey, we gonna keep it coming all day. Man, and all of a sudden, you know what I'm saying? It seemed like my girl wanna act like she a sneakerhead all of a sudden, and she wanna keep on getting your boy to get the sneakers, so I'm missing out on sneakers while trying to get her sneakers, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. And you see this, my kids, they were eager to get to this box, so I was like, man, They were trying to mess up my YouTube video. Yeah, boxes going crazy over here, man. But trust and believe, I was looking out for the fam, but at the same time, you already know your boy didn't forget about himself. Hey, man, and we got more on the way, man. Hey, this is not the only video that I'm about to hit y'all with in the next 2 to 3 months, man. So make sure y'all banging that subscription box, y'all hitting that notification bell so y'all can make sure to get all the recent videos I'm about to drop, because I'm about to unload on y'all. And that's why I'm hitting y'all with this major, you know, sneaker haul right here, man. I've been holding out for this video. I was like, man, what better to do than just to, you know, give it to them all at once. And I still got more on the way, you know, so stay tuned for sure. Your boy Slick Fresh. You know, hey, you already know what it is. This is another GOAT cop. You know what I'm saying? I missed out on these on Sneakers app too, but I ended up, grabbing these boys for the girl. Man, I thought these was clean. These is definitely A1. You already know. I feel like, hey, the Breds, they coming with the 11s right now. They coming with the 11s right now, and you already know your boy. We keeping it exclusive. Hey, must cop, man. All these Breds, all these 11s, man. You know, hey, 11's fire, dog. You need some nice 11s. I wish they were my size, man. But they not, but I'm cool. You know what I mean? What else we got over here? Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and bust these open because I kind of, these all came out, you know, around the same time. I had these, I actually got these, so I missed out on these on Sneakers app, and then your boy figured out like, dang, Sneakers app is not the only thing out there. Not only do you got GOAT, you got, you know, StockX and all these other, but all you gotta do is hit up the next shoe store, man. So I went to Champs for these, man. And hey, this is a new edition, man. And y'all know what I mean when I say new edition. I ain't got no 5s in the collection right now. So you already know. I'm rocking with it. Well, excuse me. These aren't the 5s. Boom. My black and cement 11s. Fire. Way to surprise me. I fooled myself because I literally thought that was the top 3 box, but hey. So I just gave it to y'all. But either way, man, these the 11s, man. The black and cement 11s. Heat. I'm glad I got these. But at the same time, the same thing happened, man. I went to Sneakers app to try to get these, and then I had to go to Champs. And they came through for me. So that's crazy, man. Hey, you gotta have your secondaries, man. Tell me what y'all thinking in the comments about these sneakers, man, because, hey, I'm dropping them on you right now. I'm dropping some heat right now. Let me know which ones y'all got, which ones y'all like, which ones y'all not rocking with, but, hey, right, hey. Now, black and cements was definitely a must cop, and what I've been trying to do mainly is just like, I got those black and cement, so it's gonna make me want to go get something else, you know, like the black and cement 3s or something like that, because I really want to, you know, start trying to complete, you know, just like the similar shoes, you know what I mean? If you get the black and cement 11s, you get the black and cement 3s, you know what I'm saying? Like if you get the wool, like I'm just trying to, you know, do my own thing, follow my own wave. And if you rocking with Slick Fresh Wave, man, hey, be a part of the community, man. Be a part of this. Be a part of this, man, because you know we're going to keep it coming. And if you look at my old videos, you know we've been keeping it coming, man. But there's one thing that we focus on, and we trying to keep it exclusive for y'all, man. Giving y'all great reviews, man, all day. Okay, So, this box right here, this was also a nice cop, man. I got these for my girl, and if y'all look, speaking of recent, not even recent, but old videos, I did a review on the Be True Vapor Max, man, and my girl ended up saying that she wanted the Be True Air Force One as well. So, you know, your boy just was like, alright, I got you. And wow, this is what we ended up with. And this time, you know, they got the rainbow all over the box. Hey, honestly, I like the box just because of it being so colorful. You know what I'm saying? It's dope. Like, it's different from any other box I've ever had. So I think it's dope. I didn't even try to get the sneakers. The sneakers dropped, and right after the sneakers dropped, my girl hit me and she's like, I want the Be True Force. I was like, really, bro? So really they weren't too pricey anyway. So I went in, I got them off of GOAT. You know what I mean? You got the GOAT tag right here. Hey, look at this, man. Hey, I'm approving. Hey, it's proven, man. They got that. Like, I wouldn't wear them, you know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like they just more like, you know what I'm saying? Like, they not me, but like they fire, like they popping. Like, you know what I'm saying? I can't wait to see what my girl do when she, you know, actually go and wear these, man. You see the, man, look at these things. Like, they popping. I really like these little sneakers, man. Like, you got the rainbow on the tongue. Look at the bottom, man. It's like a gum white, like a gum clear look. You know what I mean? Got the shiny, like the, man, the nice patent, man. This is a clean sneaker, man. I'm glad that I got to actually review both Be True sneakers, and I'm rocking with these, and I definitely love the box, man, for sure. And truthfully, overall, man, through it all, hey, I think if you be true to yourself, you're gonna be successful in this life, period. You feel me? But that's to be true. And the last one, I already spilled the beans, man, but the Black and Cement 11 stepped on them. But at the same time, they're gonna get their shine. Because, you know, you gotta say one of the better cops for last. And this, I've seen boxes like this before, you know what I'm saying? Like, I love this Black and Cement box because I don't have an 11 box like this. Like, first of all and foremost, like, most 11 boxes pull out doing something special with it or something, or like I got my, you know, I got the snakeskin 11s in my room, and that box was kind of like a reptile. So they be, you know, switching it up every now and then. But hey, my size for sure, back to the Black and Cement, you know, that 12. And then these were the only 2 cops that I got right now. And I do got another video on the way though, so don't even trip because I got some more of my cops. But this is just a major sneaker haul for everybody, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is my first time looking at the top 3s and my first pair of 5s. Bussin'. Yes, sir. So I also missed out on Sneakers app and had to go to Champs. So this was actually the original cop, bro, like from Champs. My first pair of shoes from Champs in a minute. I missed out on them on the Sneakers app, and then we was just playing the game, just chilling, and my bro was like, bruh, man, they got them sitting here in your size on Champs. I'm like, oh, bullcrap. So then you already know I had to pull the trigger on those. So that's how I ended up with the top 3s. And then I missed out on the Black and Cement and ended up doing the same thing and ended up successful. So, you know, it took some time, man. And that's why I ultimately did a sneaker haul as well, because all of the sneakers, man, you know, with all this COVID and everything going on, man, you know, shipping took a little bit. And if you messing around with GOAT anyway, you already know. You got to get your sneakers verified, you know, and that's going to take a little time anyway. So, but my favorite thing about these is just the combination of all the sneakers, man. You know, you got the mixture of that bottom and you got that tongue, that grape. Like, bruh, everything on the top three was just busting, and I was just all over them. I felt like I had to have them, but now I'm gonna feel like I need to go get the top 3 ones so I could. I need to stop, man. But hey, you already know your boy kept it exclusive, man. Told y'all I was gonna come back with something exclusive, and that's what I did. And if y'all like what y'all see, man, bang that subscription box. Bang that subscription box, because we appreciate y'all support, man. You know I try to communicate with y'all all, man. But your boy, hey, hope y'all like the sneaker haul, man. Slick Fresh out here.